Model, 2010 Ford Transit 2 TDCI 85 PS 280 short wheelbase, low roof. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 114216. Engine, 2198 cc TDCI 85 PS DURATORQ-C. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Mechanically, this is a brilliant transit, needs a few MOT repairs, very easily done. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for